Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We are at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video review that you're about to watch is a segment of a longer stream that we did. So it's not going to be as detailed as our normal long form content, but we hope you enjoy. This is the 42Q. All right. The outside, again, paint scheme, a little bit different. All right. But everything else is the same. So let's go inside. And look at this one. Show price on this one, $569,995. Okay. So we're gonna go, oh, which by the way, we didn't mention that on the other. When you're driving down the road and you're a passenger, you don't have to worry about your feet dangling because that little thing right there comes out. So your feet would sit on that. So it covers the steps so that the passenger is also comfortable while you're driving down the road. Wow, look at this one, Lisa.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this, everybody. Wow, isn't that stunning?
That is beautiful.
Again, this is the 42Q.
Q, yes.
And it's an American tradition, not American Eagle, American tradition. Okay? It is also on the Freightliner chassis, so the front is going to be the same or thereabouts. I don't remember the two screens on the other. The other one have two
The very
screens?
first one did.
Okay.
I didn't know. We didn't look at the second one, but the first one did.
This one does not have the TV in the front.
No.
Like the first one did.
But it does have additional cabinetry,
Yes.
which we didn't talk about.
No. Storage.
About storage, which you do have some additional storage up in the front.
Now, from an entertainment standpoint, this one is flipped. The other two that we looked at, your sofa was over here with the TV behind it. This one is flipped. The TV's on that side. And so I'm now sitting in the theater chairs, which are god-awful comfortable. And the TV is right there. It's on a televator. It's down, obviously. But there's the televator. Good morning, Angela.
Well, hello, Angela.
And that is a pull-out, by the way, as well. Now, instead of the bar, this one has like more of a dinette. And this table pulls out too, by the way. Right? Which is nice. It slides in and out, which is great. And you have sort of a little buffet back there. This would kind of be a double sort of as an office for us, I would think.
I would think so. I like this setup.
Yeah.
I really do.
And just so you know, price-wise, sticker on this is $790. But they're selling it for $560, so you can see the discount.
And of course, this would be my seat because look what is right here.
I know. I would sweat sitting there with that thing on, but not you.
This would be my seat.
Absolutely. We'd have to. I'm sure there's an ottoman somewhere you have to put right there so you can put your feet up.
Oh, and look what we have down here.
Yes, that is sort of a toe kick that has central vac. Mm-hmm. Look, we're in coaches that there's no expense spared here. Okay, and so it has all the luxuries, digital touchscreens, as you see, central vac, induction cooktops. They're not just solid surface. This one's solid surface, but the other ones were granite, real tile, beautiful residential appliances.
Yes.
And just absolutely amazing. Now, the other difference here, if you will, you have a bigger walkway getting to the back here.
You do.
Right? There's a mid-bath, or a half bath here in the middle, but the sink and the toilet are sort of in the same space. Okay. Actually, before we go any further, since I showed that, let's go ahead and sit on this one too.
All right.
My guess is it's probably close to the same. Yeah. So same thing, but look at this. I'm going to close the door. Look at the door. The door's cut so your feet can stick out. So that's not a problem. So, and that's literally, this is exactly a perfect seating position. So when I close the door, my feet literally would stick out like that.
Perfect.
Okay? Under counter mount sink. It's actually molded. Okay,
that is molded. Yes.
Right. Some
look at the beautiful tiles.
Yeah. Yep. Nice medicine cabinet above.
Yep.
Right. And there's also some storage above my head here as well. Right.
That's actually access panel.
Access panel for your 12-volt system. Yeah. But there is storage beneath the
sink.
Beneath the sink, and it's a little dark. It's hard to see. So.
Yep. There's a little bit down there. Yep. Very nice.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to skip the kitchen or go too far, but I opened that door so before I got going. So just like the other ones that we were in that were the American Dreams, again, this is an American tradition. This has your induction cooktop. I'll get that, Lisa.
Okay.
You just got to pull it hard.
Yeah.
Huge sink.
Yes.
Okay.
And these
covers are huge too.
They are. And this is a huge single basin sink.
Absolutely. Here. So what Lisa was trying to pull out, this is an extension of the kitchen. It acts kind of like an island. And it is stuck in there. And so many people come in here and open this stuff. It's just stuck. And so you push this button, and it's supposed to release the lock to come out.
Which that gives you additional counter space here.
Correct. It comes up to be about this far.
Yes.
Okay. Now, it could be because we're not level. And so we're not going to bother them, but we've done this before if you've seen any of our videos from last year, and we'll probably catch one of the other coaches where it will come out. Literally, it's very simple. You press the button and it just comes right out. But there's something locking this in, and it could be because they don't want people messing with it, so it could be locked. Yeah.
It could be. Okay? That's very true.
All right. So
yeah, here I'm going to hand that back over to you. So we talked about the sink.
Yep,
we talked about the induction.
Cooktop. That's your, see, same thing. Yep, it's just locked.
I agree.
Because they don't want people opening it. That's your dishwasher.
Agree. Dishwasher will be there.
Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. So let's move back into the bedroom. In this bedroom is just like the American Dreams. One more time, we're in an American tradition. Okay. And so the bed articulates back. You've got nice cabinetry above. Now this one does not have, let's see, it's hard to see there. We'll go over here. This one does not have the charging plate here, but there is still power down there. Okay. Right across.
Now the cabinetry is different.
The cabinetry is different, right? So instead of full length, you've got sort of a half hanging.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And this can be on the other side
with the adjustable shelves. This one does not have the hanging bar though.
Nope. Does not.
And that actually is not even adjustable shelf.
And there's a reason for that. We'll show you in a minute.
Yes.
But beneath there, look at that. There's 9 drawers down there, Lisa.
Yes, and they are huge.
We're going to have to buy some more clothes. Or raid the house, one of the two.
Right, yeah, these are huge, huge drawers. With the soft
and talking about a super slide, look, this entire side is a slide. Lisa, look at this. The slide starts here. Uh-huh. Right? And then goes all the way to the front.
And that's why we have the additional space here.
Right.
This would be great, yeah, for people who have mobility issues, the access there.
That's a great thought.
You do have to step up to get into the main bath, but you do have a half bath.
That is a great, great observation. So, yeah, 42Q, if you have mobility issues, that gives you plenty of room to move around.
But again, make sure that you
could do like a little movable ramp kind of thing if you wanted to, right? You could
do that, yes. Mm-hmm.
Now, this doesn't have the dual sink. It's just got one, which, for most people is fine. At least for the tall people in the world, I can only see from my lip down, okay? But plenty of space in there, okay? Nice storage underneath, but there's also a drawer down here, too.
Oh, there is. Look at that.
Soft close. You've got some place for linens here, adjustable shelf.
Right. And I love all these little drawers.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And here is your escape hatch, if you will. Like the other one, we saw it was in the middle of the coach. Here it's all the way in the back.
It is.
And so, again, if there's a problem, you don't have to get to the front door. You can go right out here. And that's a ladder, so you don't have to jump. You just, climb on down.
Right.
Here's the toilet again, guys. I mean, I'm sure you can see. I mean, there's plenty of room here. So if you're a tall person like I am, there is plenty of room here. These are not foot flush. They're push. Okay, we've stepped up in the world. Okay, the reason why you don't have full length storage is there is a closet back here.
Cedar lined, guys. Look at this.
I'm not going to call it a walk-in, but
there's
a walk-in.
There. It is.
Just
and
about.
There's your 2 extra chairs for your dinette. Plenty of hang space. There's a storage shelf. Again, carpet
If you want, I can flip the sides.
Oh, there you go.
So you can see that a little better, right? So there's the other chairs. So you can sit 4 people. Oh, God, I love the smell of cedar. Oh. And then
know.
Right across the toilet is your stackable washer and dryer. Okay. Sorry about that, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. We are covering some diesel pushers.
Yes, good morning.
All right. Now, this is a smaller shower than the other 2. It does have a bench that you just see here. Okay?
Yeah, you do have a bench.
This is definitely a 1-person. Okay. There's a shower head up top. Again, for the tall people, I don't even need to measure. Where you can be 7 feet in here, because it's very tall. You do have a handheld wand, as well as that rain shower head. And remember, this is all, it's not even tile, it's stone.
That's a little different wand.
It is a different wand. This is a whole different fixture altogether.
Yeah.
But these, again, not tile, it's actually stone.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Absolutely amazing.
Yeah, beautiful.
Hang on. You got some dust down here.
No, I'm not surprised.
We'll clean you off a little bit.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So that, again, was the 42Q.
Yes.
American Tradition.